AI briefing.
Number 1. Anthropic finds a hidden workspace inside Claude. Anthropic just published research showing that Claude does its thinking in a small, internal workspace, resembling what neuroscientists credit for human conscious access, with researchers saying the area wasn't programmed, but emerged on its own. Why it matters. Anthropic has been criticized, most vocally by Microsoft AI head Mustafa Suleyman, for its AI consciousness talk. And while the researchers note this doesn't reveal whether Claude is conscious or feels anything at all, finding an undesigned, brain-like workspace inside a model is exactly why the lab keeps asking.
Number 2. Tencent open sources small, powerful Hi-3. Chinese tech giant Tencent's Hunyuan just promoted its Hi-3 model out of an April preview and into a full open-source release, with benchmark results that claim to rival flagship open-source models with 2-5x parameters. Why it matters. Dario Amodei recently said that Chinese models are just 6 to 12 months behind the frontier, and Hi-3 doesn't appear to challenge the top models or that timeline. But Tencent does make some major efficiency gains that, combined with its extremely open license, make for a very compelling release.
Number 3. Kyutai's AI dreams up a playable Rocket League. Kyutai and General Intuition just released MIRA, an open-source world model built with epic games that runs live 2v2 Rocket League for 4 players, generated entirely inside a neural network with no game engine underneath. Why it matters. We recently covered Odyssey's Agora, one world model generating a multiplayer version of GoldenEye, and now we have another model handling Rocket League. But as the companies note, the point isn't to replace video games, but to simulate the physical world for a future full of robots that need data to train on.